السلام الملكي.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أصحاب السعادة، شركاء حفلنا، حضورنا الكرام، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. 3 أشهر قضت قدمت فيها مسرعة التقنية المالية لرواد ورائدات الأعمال المشاركين مجموعة من الخدمات الداعمة وورش العمل المكثفة والاستشارات المتخصصة واللقاءات مع الخبراء والمستشارين. تركزت تلك الخدمات على الجوانب التنظيمية والتشريعية. مسرعة التقنية المالية أحد أهم مبادرات فنتك السعودية، وهي فرصة لتحقيق الطموحات وتطوير الأعمال، لتكون بذلك أول مسرعة عالمية تركز على التشريعات والتنظيمات في التقنية المالية. مسرعة التقنية المالية تمكنكم من تحقيق الابتكار وتشكيل مستقبل التقنية المالية في المملكة العربية السعودية. السيدات والسادة، حضورنا الكرام، يسعدني أن أدعو المدير العام لمبادرة فنتك السعودية الأستاذ نزار الحيدر لإلقاء كلمته، فليتفضل مشكورا.
السلام عليكم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين. أصحاب السعادة، حفلنا الكريم، في البداية أوجه لكم الشكر الجزيل لتلبية الدعوة وحضور حفلنا الختامي لمسرعة فنتك السعودية. يمكن دائما لما نتكلم عن المسرعات وأثرها، الأثر ما يبان دائما إلا بالأرقام، فلذلك لما نتكلم عن مسرعة فنتك السعودية من بدايتها اليوم نحتفل بالنسخة الثالثة، ولكن الأثر اللي تم في النسختين الأولين، الأولى والثانية، كان الحمد لله أثر عظيم. كان له الأثر الاقتصادي والاجتماعي كذلك بالمملكة العربية السعودية. فالحمد لله دعمنا 22 شركة وخدموا أكثر من مليون عميل، وهذه الشركات كان فيها مؤسسين ومؤسسات كذلك، وخلقوا العديد من الوظائف في القطاع، والأهم من ذلك حققوا تمويل تجاوز 150 مليون. فهذا كان أثر المسرعة في النسخ الماضية. بينما الشركات اللي اليوم انضمت لهذا البرنامج في النسخ السابقة هي شركات أكيد مميزة ونفخر فيها ووجودها في القطاع. اليوم جزء كبير من هذه الشركات اللي انتم تشوفونها على الشاشة أكيد أنكم اليوم تثقون فيها وتستخدمونها، وأثرت على حياة الفرد وجودة حياته. فهذه الشركات هي جزء من النسخ الماضية من مسرعة فنتك السعودية. بينما اليوم لما نتكلم عن النسخة الحالية اللي موجودين في الحفل الختامي اللي اليوم موجودين فيه، قبلنا 10 شركات. ال10 شركات هذه طبعا انضمت في برنامج مدته 3 أشهر، ضمت 26 مؤسس ومؤسسة، كذلك خدموا أكثر من 80 ألف عميل، وخلقوا 127 وظيفة، وبالنسبة للتمويل جمعوا مبلغ تجاوز 40 مليون ريال. بالتأكيد نتطلع لهذه الشركات أنها تنمو في القطاع بدعم وتمكين من المشرعين والمنظمين للقطاع ومن فنتك السعودية كذلك. يمكن نتكلم عن مسرعة بالأرقام واللي تم خلال النسخة الثالثة. بالتأكيد أنهم ضمت العديد من الجلسات الاستشارية والجلسات مع الخبراء، وكان فيها العديد من الورش العمل والجلسات التوجيهية من المشرعين كذلك، ولقاءات مع مستثمرين وأنشطة مختلفة ساعدت في توجيه المشاركين والمنضمين للبرنامج في التوجه الصحيح. لما نتكلم عن الكوهورت نفسه أو الدفعة هذه الثالثة، 60% من نماذج العمل تقع تحت نطاق البنك المركزي، و40% يقع تحت هيئة السوق المالية. ولله الحمد والمنة جميع الشركات اللي انضمت للبرنامج وخلال العمل الذي تم خلال ال3 أشهر اليوم بنسبة 100% من الشركات ال10 اللي تقدمت للبرنامج تقدموا بطلب التراخيص والتصاريح المناسبة للمشرعين بنسبة 100%. فإحنا ننتظر بإذن الله هذه الشركات أنها تعمل في السوق السعودي في القريب العاجل بإذن الله. طبعاً البرنامج المميز هذا اللي إحنا نقدمه ونتكاتف فيه مع العديد من الجهات اللي تدعمنا خلال البرنامج، بالتأكيد أنهم البنك المركزي السعودي، وكذلك هيئة السوق المالية، ووزارة الاستثمار، وكذلك شريكنا الاستراتيجي في المسرعة اللي هي واعد فنتشرز، اللي دعموا شركتين من هذا البرنامج بدعمهم بجوائز أو دعم مالي خلال البرنامج. فجزيل الشكر لشركاء الدعم اللي دعمونا في هذا البرنامج. بالتأكيد هنالك شركاء تعاون كثيرين قدموا ساعات استشارية وتوجيه وإرشاد للشركات، فلهم جزيل الشكر والعرفان. شكرا لكم.
حضورنا الكرام، 140 ساعة من التدريب المكثف تناولت موضوعات متعددة ساعدتهم على تطوير استراتيجية منتجاتهم ونماذج أعمالهم، ومكنتهم من الحصول على نصائح قيمة وإرشاد من خبراء محليين وعالميين، بالإضافة لبناء شراكات فاعلة. اليوم يوم العروض النهائية ل10 شركات المشاركة في برنامج مسرعة فنتك، وهي فرصة لعرض منتجاتهم وخدماتهم المبتكرة على المستثمرين المحتملين والشركاء والإعلاميين ومجتمع التقنية المالية. أصحاب السعادة، حضورنا الكرام، نبدأ الآن مع أول عرض لشركة عون يقدمه علي آل زمانان.
عليكم. I am Ali Al-Zamanan, CEO and founder of عون. عون is a registered trademark for Nabut micro-lending company. Most of individuals spend their entire income within the first 2 weeks of the month. And the most available solutions takes time and quite high rate. Not all individuals are eligible for a credit card or might have consumed it. And the most common one is financing and lending between family and friends, which fall under the gray area of finance, untapped market, especially for a small amount. Our end-to-end digital solution provides an access for up to 2,000 riyal, where privacy is safeguarded, independency is assured, eliminating the need for reliance on others at any time. Our onboarding and loan journey is following the verification control set by SAMA. Applying for finance is simple and convenient. Once customer identified loan detail and his bank account is verified, eligibility criteria check engine will run. This step is designed to provide a seamless journey for our customers. Once eligibility is confirmed, customer will select the commodity. IVR call will take place to confirm loan details and request. We believe in transparency. This section will help our customer to comprehend terms associated with their finance application thoroughly. SAMA Standard Consumer Finance Agreement for individuals will be signed and shared with the customers. عون works by providing an up to for 2,000 riyal on a 3-month plan for only 230 riyal. Our product is ready in a compliance with the required frameworks, but yet not officially launched. We have submitted our application to SAMA for consumer microfinance using financial technology. We have completed most of the integration required, except those required SAMA approval in principle. Our model is built over a fixed cost of term structure. This provides stability, predictability, to ensure a clear financial picture to our customer, designed to be a fast time, a real-time, paperless. Our team, led by myself and experts from financing, banking, and various sectors, comprehend to work over this project. I want to take this moment to thank SAMA and Saudi FinTech team for their tremendous support and efforts. Thank you for listening. Scan the code for contact. Visit our booth to know more about it. Thank you.
السيدات والسادة، حضورنا الكرام، نواصل تقديم العروض للشركات، والآن مع العرض الثاني لشركة بي أمان. تقدم العرض سارة شروف، فلتتفضل مشكورة.
Hello and warm welcome everyone. This is Sarah Sharrouf from Bi Aman. I'm thrilled to present Bi Aman escrow solution to you today. At Bi Aman, we aim to act as a guardian or custodian between buyers and sellers, service providers and clients, and make sure that all transactions are being done safely and securely. At Bi Aman, we've found four main challenges in four main sectors, starting with freelancing markets, with over 2.3 million licensed freelancers in Saudi, who struggle to find a secure payment solutions for their clients. Moreover, moving to the SMEs who struggle in e-commerce, finding a stable solution for them is causing them huge losses. In the used item markets, there is always a chance of getting involved in fraud or scamming activities. And finally, moving to B2B transactions, due to the large ticket size and nature of these transactions, there is always a distrust between parties in B2B transactions. So here where Bi Aman comes. At Bi Aman, we aim to provide a guaranteed payment solutions for freelancers, a fraud-proof transactions for used item markets, and we also want to provide a reliable payment solution for e-commerce. And finally, we're aiming to reinforce trust in B2B transactions. How we can tackle all of these areas? For Bi Aman, you can use Bi Aman either from our platform directly to initiate transactions and deal with your clients. We have also an API integration system that can be integrated with any website, any mobile app directly with Bi Aman. Moreover, we have a WhatsApp and a Telegram bot where clients can directly initiate transactions through their phones. And finally, we have e-commerce plugins where e-commerce can integrate Bi Aman within one single step. With Bi Aman, to make sure that all transactions are being done safely, Bi Aman holds the money in the escrow account, make sure products or services are delivered, then the money gets released to the sellers or to the service providers. With Bi Aman, you can trade any product, any service, starting from domain names, vehicles, even jewelry, anything you can think about, you can go with Bi Aman with. Our revenue model, simple, straightforward. Any transaction that's below 100,000 Saudi riyals will take a 4% commission, and anything above that amount will get 3.5% commission. And to make it easy for buyers and sellers, this commission can be split between both parties. We also provide an AI analytics system that supports businesses with 200 Saudi riyals monthly subscription. To reach to our clients, to reach to our markets, firstly, we're aiming to partnership with used item market selling platforms, also e-commerce providers. We'll provide educational webinars about fraud and scamming activities and introduce Bi Aman through these webinars. And finally, we'll go with social media marketing. Until this point, Bi Aman has fully developed the MVP, fully functional with all the features. And thanks to the Fintech Saudi Accelerator, we have submitted our application for SAMA Sandbox. Hoping that we get our approval for the sandbox by early 2024, we're aiming to go after that for our full product development platform launch and go for a seeding round. And by the end of 2024, we're aiming to reach to our first 10,000 active users. Hopefully, by middle of 2025, we're aiming to expand to larger markets and start with the Gulf markets. Until this point, BeAman is self-funded by Misraj Ventures, and we're going for a seeding round with a value of $3.2 million that will be going into product development, marketing, and operation and regulations. Behind BeAman is a team of fully innovative and experienced team who have an experience in law, finance, and technology, who have one single goal, is making transaction world more secure and simple. Thank you very much for being with us today, and watch us changing the transaction world.
والآن مع العرض الثالث لشركة بلو مال يقدم العرض عبد العزيز بارقبة.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Abdulaziz Barakaba. I'm the proud founder and CEO of Blue Mal. Today we're going to discover some fascinating insights about private investment funds. The world of private investment funds resembles an exclusive club. It is only accessible to the ultra-rich. And this is happening for multiple reasons. For example, there is a high initial capital barrier to enter into these investment funds, especially for retail clients. There is a lack of optionality, and it is difficult to manage fractional shares and fractional shares investment units. Same thing goes with the asset managers. They are not focusing on the retail clients due to the misalignment between the regulators and the retail investors. Moreover, most of their investment funds are conducted behind closed doors, and this cannot serve the retail investors in many ways. There is a lack of technology behind that. Same thing with retail investors. They are not able to find a suitable investments for them because they are not even having the access in the first place. Blue Mal is a crowd investing platform for private alternative assets. What we do, we basically onboard our clients. We give them the access to invest across multiple asset classes with multiple asset managers with a diverse investment deals, as low as 100 riyal per investment units. Our business model consists of a flat subscription fees. We charge between 1% to 2% depending on the fund itself. This is from the client, and it will be paid once, regardless the lifetime of the fund itself. And in many cases, depending on these private funds, we get referral fees from the asset managers. And we believe this model is healthy and sustainable and can impose transparency between both parties. In the past couple of years, we have witnessed a huge boom in terms of subscribers. Subscribers alone in this year doubled more than 4 times, reaching 157,000. Same thing goes with private investment funds, and same goes with the number of the asset under management. Imagine this, a market that is worth more than 360 billion Saudi riyal, and less than 1% of this market is offered digitally. Same thing goes in 2022 and 23, we have witnessed a multiple distribution platforms. These platforms, they have done a great job by giving access to retail clients. But where is the problem? Most of their investments are still concentrated in real estate. At Blue Mal, we are committed to provide a multiple and diverse options and investment vehicles for our clients. For example, we have trade finance funds, venture capital funds, revenue-based financing funds, and pre-IPO funds. In order for us to serve our clients and offer a great investment experience, we had to link with more than 11 service providers. Currently, we are standing above 90% in both terms, in terms of technology itself and the platform, and in terms of integrating with our third parties. In 2023, we took the time to build our product, test it, and we worked on our governance framework. Same thing with our regulators. We successfully applied our application. We are seeking the license for the distribution of private investment funds and real estate funds. Going forward, inshallah, in the first quarter, we'll be working to finalize our application, mobile application, and our funds pipeline and marketing campaign. Later on, we will be eager to provide more funds. Until this date, we have raised almost to $1 million. This was for our pre-seed round. And for our seed round, we are looking to raise $1.6 million. And this is going to help us to attract more talent and to acquire more customers. We are a company founded by 4 founders with experience of more than 40 years in both domains, in technology and in investment. Blumal, we are eager to provide investment opportunities for all. Thank you so much.
حضورنا الكرام، والآن مع رابع العروض لشركة باي ناو، فليتفضل أحمد بانافع لتقديم العرض.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening everyone. Thank you for being here with us. My name is Ahmed Banafa. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Buy Now. We're basically in Buy Now trying to simplify business being business. From our experience, we have witnessed there are challenges for SMEs accessing the pay later options, and only 5% of them could have that accessibility. We are here to bridge that gap. Our solution for the business buyers, they could buy now and pay, and they could buy now and pay later. For the business sellers, they could buy now and get their payment immediately. Our service is applicable for distributors, for marketplaces, and as well as manufacturers. The opportunity that we're given for the business buyers, they have a flexibility to choose when to pay and how to pay with the flexible terms. If we take an example for an online presence, for the checkout page, the business buyers, he could do the sign up and the assessment and the onboarding happening all at the same spot instantly. Our decision engine, it's been built in-house based on AI regression model, which help us to feed with alternative data points, which has been pulled from different APIs to do the assessment for the business buyers in terms of their cash flow status and their credit worthiness. Given the current global challenges for the economy, SMEs currently are seeking and eagerly looking for new financing options. Therefore, the Buy Now, Pay Later has expanded to the B2B domain. And as we can see in the map, there are potential players in the US and Latin America and Europe. Meanwhile, in our MENA regions, with the 19 millions of SMEs accumulating of 30 trillions, there is a huge demand for that. Our business model, we are taking a commission base ranging from 2% to 7%, that varying depending on the product or the service. Also, we are introducing a new revenue streams. The first one is white label licensing, and the second one is the affiliate marketing. I'll take this opportunity to honestly thank Saudi Fintech for helping us for applying to the sandbox, thankfully. And so far we have signed with the 3 marketplaces accumulating of 35,000 B2B customers, which can give us the accessibility to more than 200 millions need to be financed. Not only that, but in our partnership, in our pipeline, we have around 50 partnerships are looking for our service that additionally could be more than 75,000 B2B customers need to be getting our service. This is a snapshot of our 12 months plan. Our ask, we are raising currently our seed round 1.5 million USD, mainly for our hiring, expanding our commercial team, our development team, and ops team, to activate our partnership and to expedite securing our first lending facility. Our team, we are completely dedicated to achieve our project. Our CEO, Rami Suleiman, with 15 years of an experience in the B2B and a commercial, and myself, Ahmed Banafa, with the 14 years of experience in the digital transformation and the management consultancy, and our head of risk, Ayush Agrawal, with 9 years of experience in the banking and the fintech, and finally, our head of engineering, Islam Majdi, with 7 years experience in technology. Join us in reinforcing MENA B2B payment space. Thank you.
والآن مع العرض الخامس لشركة كلير جراي مع محمد الزبن، فليتفضل مشكوراً.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Zabin and I'm one of the founders and CEO of ClearGrid. ClearGrid is a debt resolution platform powered by emerging technologies, and we're focused on the growing consumer loan market in Saudi Arabia, which has doubled over the past 10 years, reaching 450 billion Saudi riyals. With this increased consumer loan underwriting, we've also seen a few things happen in the macro picture. One is that there's an increase in interest rates, which are making people's loans more expensive, rising cost of living driven by inflation, and also a global jobs and economy market that isn't keeping up with pace. The answer in the past to dealing with non-performing loans was to work with debt collection agents. But there's a whole host of issues with that approach. One, it's very labor intensive. It has very high operational costs. It's difficult to scale. It requires training, recruiting, onboarding, and monitoring. It leads to a poor experience for borrowers given predatory practices. And most importantly, given the large human factor, it is at risk of non-compliance. Our solution is to build a digital debt recovery platform that allows consumers to customize their payback in a way that works for them. How? We're creating a technology layer that uses advanced analytics, behavioral analytics, AI, and machine learning to create better outcomes between lenders and borrowers. So this is how it works. Lenders integrate with our platform and send over their delinquent accounts. We segment the portfolio and ingest it, and then use machine learning models to engage with distressed customers in that situation to find the right message, right time, and right channel. More importantly, is to present them with options that are customized for them. They may be eligible for a quick settlement, or they could pay later to line it up with their salary date, or we can create payment and installments plan so that they're paying a bit every month to get out of their problem debt situation. We've also digitized one of the most painful parts of debt collection, which is the dispute management. We can allow customers to upload their supporting documents in a CRM style for the lender to review and then accept, reject, or ask for further information. And our job is to then keep borrowers engaged on that journey to becoming debt-free, while also giving our lender clients and regulators full visibility and data on how their collections are progressing. We've built a full system architecture that works with a variety of lenders, from fintechs, banks, telcos, and even BNPL, with compliance baked right into the core engine of ClearGrid to ensure that we're engaging with consumers in Saudi Arabia at the highest standards of consumer protection and compliance. Our business model is simple. Lenders assign accounts to ClearGrid, we engage with the consumers, and then we help them resolve their debt and then settle with the lender. Our pricing model is a fee on recovered amounts that changes depending on the age of the loan and also on the complexity involved. Our traction was that we launched our MVP in August. In October, we went live with a lender in the UAE. In November, we released the V1 of our platform and went live. We did a test in October and then went live in November. And then we're proud to say that in December, we submitted our SAMA sandbox application. Here's the team that founded this company. Myself with a background in banking from Barclays and also with technology startups from my previous venture. We also have Ali Shihab, who's leading up the technology team with previous experience in data engineering, having worked at Capital One. We also have Khalid bin Badr Al Saud, who comes with a background in venture capital and is leading up everything on commercials and partnerships for us. Shukran, thank you very much.
والآن مع عرض لشركة دبن يقدمه بيتر الطرزي، فليتفضل مشكورا.
Hi, I'm Peter, co-founder and CEO of Devon. I have over a decade of experience in global financial markets. I worked with companies of all sizes, and they all had one problem in common: cash management. Currently, there's no easy way to analyze or forecast cash in real time. Financial managers still need to log into multiple banking portals, download Excel files, combine them into one sheet, and then do the analysis manually. And this process is time-consuming, error-prone, not secure, and it does not allow cash forecasting or any investment opportunities. Without a clear visibility into finances, business risk, missing payments, losing investments, or simply losing interest on idle cash reserves. And that's why we created Devon. Devon is a SaaS platform that automates cash management and recommends investment opportunities for financial managers. We integrate all their bank account and accounting data into one user-friendly dashboard, allowing them to check the health of their business now, forecast their future cash positions, and invest their idle cash reserves. We empower financial managers to make informed decisions quickly and optimize their returns significantly. Well, you're probably wondering, what about accounting softwares? They don't manage, invest, or forecast cash. They only do bookkeeping, which is exactly the difference between hiring an accountant and a CFO. We have two segregated entities, SAMA, Open Banking, and CMA. We applied for our CMA license during Fintech Accelerator program. Our platform is ready, and we have a strong pipeline of clients eager to work with us. More importantly, we're currently finalizing our partnership with SAP, offering our services for corporate clients. Cash management represented $18 billion in 2021 and is expected to achieve $25 billion in 2027. In our MENA region, cash management is still an untapped business, and that's why we're currently focusing on Saudi Arabia, an economy that has $330 billion in deposit accounts, and later we'll expand to other countries in the region. We have an ambitious plan for 2024. We hope to receive our LOA from SAMA in Q1, initial approval from CMA in Q2, utilizing our data for AI and machine learning in Q3, and finally, we're launching Devon Investments in Q4. With confidence in our ability to achieve this plan, we're currently raising $3 million. Funds will be deployed mainly into technology development and cybersecurity, expanding our team in KSA, and finalizing requirements for our CMA license. Our team, with 50 years of combined experience in treasury and technology, is ready to tackle this huge opportunity. And this is just the beginning. We're currently finalizing payments, bid bonds, and our own GPT. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Fintech Saudi, SAMA, and CMA for their efforts with us and the whole ecosystem in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Managing cash is easy with us. Thank you.
شركة حلول المالية ومع باسل الشملان، فليتفضل مشكورا.
Good evening, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Basil Shamlan, and today we're gonna take a quick tour on Hulul. Our mortgage, it's a mortgage solution. We find it's aggregated to the mortgage landscape that helps to simplify the journey for those who are seeking mortgages toward financing their homes. We believe the landscape currently is fragmented, non-transparent, as well as home seekers don't know where to start. We believe with Hulul, we simplify this journey by giving it a one-stop shop and very highly transparent with banks. It's a fully automated journey in a record time, pre-approval time, as well highly visible, as well as we are integrated with major credit bureaus as well. We serve two segments. We serve the B2C as well as the B2B. For our B2C journey, it starts by getting the information from the client, putting it in through credit bureaus, sending it to the bank, and a record approval time comes back with a pre-approval towards your mortgage needs. The second journey combines the first one with the real estate property as well, where the real estate property could be selected by the client, then continue and uploading his information through the system, and then getting the approvals towards his mortgage loan. We did not stop there. We went an extra mile of offering our services to the real estate broker. We're backed by the linkage to the financial industry. We managed to get their simultaneously approval towards their mortgages. As well as there is another section to the B2B, which is inventory management, where it gets uploaded into the system as well with Hulul. With this time we are applying for 2 licenses, Rega license, which we are proud to say that we completed, as well as SAMA digital brokerage license through this quarter. We hope to have it up and running. We are very proud to announce that we are linked up with Rajhi Bank, Bidaya, as well as Coldwell Bankers as a mortgage, as a real estate provider, as well as Rifal. We are integrated with all major credit bureaus and data providers that allows us to conduct the transactions seamlessly. Our model is straightforward, simple. It's commission-based, subscription fees, as well as cross-reference, as well as referral fees from the real estate that can be sold through our platform. Our ambition for 2024 is to continue to develop our products, fundraising, as well as partnership with major banks to allow us to provide mortgages to those who are mortgage seekers. As well as we're planning to launch in Q3 of 2024. We are raising today for the pre-seed $1 million. And we are proud to say we are very close to that number. The proceeds will go towards operations, marketing, as well as product development. Our team is next to nothing. It is Dr. Beiruti, with the ex-Minister of Housing advisor, myself, Basil Shamlan, 16 years of Riyadh Bank experience in treasury and investment, and Mr. Haytham Al-Sahafi, who is also our Chief Strategic Officer with background from McKinsey as well as Aramco. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening.
السيدات والسادة، والآن مع العرض الثامن لشركة نتاج ومع عمار مظهر، فليتفضل مشكورا.
Hello everyone, my name is Ammar Madhar. I am the CEO and co-founder at Nitaj Capital. Real estate is the end goal for every sophisticated investor to build generational wealth. Looking at the current state of the crowd investing market, we have identified three major gaps. Investors are lacking visibility and variety of real estate development opportunities. Developers are finding it challenging to secure the required capital for their projects due to lack of innovative and alternative financing solutions. Closed-ended fund unit holders do not have convenient means to liquidate their fund units, as currently it is being traded over the counter. To solve that, Netaj will expand the supply of institutional quality investment opportunities for both retail and qualified investors. We're also going to enable SME developers as per Vision 2030 by providing them with alternative financing solutions. Netaj is also introducing a regulated secondary market for investors to buy and sell fund units conveniently. We've created a product that is simple, highly secure, and most importantly, liquid. The team and I have created a seamless customer onboarding journey. It takes you only 3 clicks to invest in any of our opportunities. You decide the opportunity you're interested in, review the terms and conditions, identify the number of units you wish to obtain, and securely and successfully complete your investment with an OTP verification. Netaj is also introducing a regulated secondary market where investors can view the listed funds and buy and sell fund units conveniently. Netaj is connecting the entire crowd investing ecosystem. We're providing institutional quality investments, income-generating opportunities, as well as infrastructure development opportunities. We're also enabling SME developers by providing them with alternative and innovative financing solutions, such as real estate syndication. We're also providing a platform that is user-friendly for all investors to track their investment performance. We have created multiple revenue streams. We take 1% subscription fees from investors and 0.5% from buyers and sellers through our secondary market. Our total addressable market is 418 billion Saudi riyals, with a market year-to-year growth of 18%. Not just that, I would like to congratulate you all for the amazing achievement done by our Saudi leaders for landing Expo 2030, as this will drastically improve our numbers in the years to come. Netaj is established in 2021, graduated Wasl Accelerator in 2022. After that, we joined the prestigious Saudi Fintech Accelerator, which enabled us to successfully submit our application to the CMA Fintech Lab. We're launching our pre-seed round in Q1 2024. After that, we're hoping to obtain the X permit, and after that, within 3 months of obtaining the X permit, we expect to go to market. Netaj is looking to capture 2% of the total addressable market over the next 5 years. With a total of 34 projects, 160,000 plus active investors in our platform, we are targeting to generate 86 million Saudi riyals in year 5 alone. Our ask is 1.4 million USD, and we will use the funds to cover our OPEX, CAPEX, marketing, hiring, and most importantly, IT development. Our team consists of 12 members with well-diversified and multidisciplinary experience ranging from product development, real estate development, IT, investments, and emerging technologies such as blockchain and AI. Join us at Netaj. Let's start building generational wealth and make private funds more liquid. Thank you and hope to see you at our booth.
والآن مع شركة سيف يقدم العرض ميت هيل، فليتفضل مشكورا.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening, everyone. My name is Mithil, and I'm the co-founder to SAV. SAV is a modern-day fintech innovating at the intersection of data science, money, and human behavior. Our mission is to build a world which takes closer to AI and customer-centric journeys, automating our financial lives and the outcomes thereof. Today, the kingdom is facing a stark reality. Despite banking more than 75% of the nation, less than 40% are saving. Consumer debt has doubled in the last decade. Household expenses have increased by 35% in the last 5 years alone. And household income has increased by a mere 5%. Perhaps the most concerning is the fact that household savings in the kingdom is as low as 3% compared to some of the global averages where it is upwards of 15%. Now, this is a large problem that spans across lack of financial literacy and access to relevant products for digital natives. At SAV, we solve for exactly that. You see, at SAV, we are building a product which works in conjugation with banks and brands. We believe that banks have great products. However, the Saudi savings infrastructure requires better financial education, efficient distribution, and products that resonate with the user's lifestyle. Introducing SAV, we are building the Google Maps for money. Whenever you enter a destination on Google Maps, the app plots the fastest and the most efficient route towards your destination, even taking into account coffee stops and traffic along the way. You don't even have to enter your starting point. That's the level of predictive AI we are building at SAV. Welcome to the future of savings. We are making savings self-driven. On the SAV app, you could connect your multiple bank accounts, credit cards, and debit cards using open banking. The app then assesses your financial standing and determines the correct financial starting point. You then have to enter your goal or your destination, and the app's automation, gamification, and rewards engine powers you through to your destination. Our secret sauce is our distribution. SAV is built to work in conjugation with banks and financial institutions who plug in their products into our ecosystem, and we distribute it through commerce and communities. On commerce, we embed our savings product into retailers' ecosystem so that they are able to offer it to their customers seamlessly and conveniently. And our social savings product allows communities to save together for common goals and common causes. Our business model is very simple. As we are helping banks and brands get more customers and build more balances, we charge them a commission. To our customers, we charge a small subscription fee. We've got significant traction. In the last 10 months of operations, we've acquired 80,000 plus users who've created 15,000 plus products worth $35 million and above. We've managed to do this by distributing 3 products of financial institutions across 15 plus distributors. And this is only the UAE. Imagine the scale and impact we will be able to achieve in Saudi. SAV also won the Best Fintech Startup and the Most Promising Startup of the Year award, and we are backed by some of the best, including Fintech Saudi, Taqaddam, Microsoft, Visa, Zendesk, to name a few. Our roadmap is very clear. We want to be the companion of users throughout their financial journey. We want to build healthier, wealthier, and happier communities. And for that, once we get the SAMA Sandbox approval, we'll be launching our financial planning and savings suite with a natural progression towards investments and debt consolidation. We are ready to launch in the kingdom, and we are raising a $5 million round towards market making, acquiring our first set of customers, and setting up our distribution channel. We've got a fantastic team. We've built successful companies before, and we know the playbook. More than half of our team has had successful exits in the startups before. We've got 200 years plus cumulative experience towards commerce, towards banking, payments, enterprise sales, and technology. We've got the team, we've got the technology, we've got our customers' love, and we are here to revolutionize savings and money management in the kingdom. Thank you.
حضورنا الكرام، والآن وصلنا إلى العرض العاشر والأخير ومع شركة سيولة، ويقدم العرض فهد غزواني.
Greetings. Many ordinary folks like me, we're struggling to create successful investing habits. Take, for example, my dear friend Mateb. He's a young employee, a very humble guy with 2 kids, trying to secure a second source of income for his family. Yet, he lost over $7,000 in a matter of a single week trying to trade FX and crypto online. In that process, he learned that investing tends to be very difficult, risky, and requires lots and lots of commitment. And that is exactly why we created Siyula, an app for people just like Mateb to start investing with absolutely no minimum budget, no investing knowledge, and of course, low risk. So how does it work? Each user is going to receive a Siyula card that is powered by either Visa or MasterCard. And with each transaction they make, the roundups and the rewards will be invested on their behalf automatically. Of course, depending on the risk profile, and they can cash it out at any time. Now, this solution has been validated globally by companies like Acorns and Robinhood, which IPO'd successfully. And now, we're bringing this to Saudi, a market where they cannot operate in and where spare change has been valued over $1 billion. And the demand is huge. We launched our MVP in last May with over 15,000 people on our waiting list, eager to start using Siyula. We monetize all the sides of the platform. We charge a monthly subscription fees alongside the EM fees, while receiving the interchange fees paid by the payment networks. We have done a lot in the past year. We have successfully raised $1 million and successfully applied to the CMA Fintech Experimentation Lab. And we're looking forward to give even more to provide our users with a pleasant, safe, and secure experience in the upcoming years. Our technology is completely built in-house by a team that has been working together for over 5 years with 2 previous exits. My name is Fahad Al-Ghazwani, and I am the CEO of Siyula, alongside with my co-founder, Dr. Ahmed, who is a PhD in finance, Al-Bandari, who brings a remarkable design and experience from Giga projects, and of course, our cybersecurity expert, Amjad. And together, we're raising $5 million. This will be used in expansion and growth and providing a better, pleasant service to all of our customers. The GCC region is considered to be the wealthiest in the world, yet the people don't have the right tools nor the good habits to start and grow their portfolios. Join us to discover how we are making investing a habit. Thank you.
كل الشكر والتقدير لجميع الشركات التي قدمت عروضها. حضورنا الكرام، ينضم واعد فينتشرز إلى فنتك السعودية كشريك استراتيجي لدعم مسرعة التقنية المالية والمصمم لدعم نمو الشركات الرائدة في قطاع التقنية المالية في السعودية، حيث ستحصل الشركات المشاركة على فرصة للحصول على المنح المالية التي تقدمها واعد، حيث ستقدم واعد فينتشرز لشركات التقنية المالية المختارة منحة مالية بقيمة 75,000 ريال سعودي، وسيتم الإعلان عنها لاحقاً عبر قنوات فنتك السعودية. السيدات والسادة، حضورنا الكرام، أدعو الآن مؤسسي الشركات للصعود للمسرح لأخذ صورة تذكارية جماعية، فليتفضلوا مشكورين. وفي الختام شكرا لكم يا من قدمتم وبذلتم واجتهدتم، ونلتقي بكم على دروب الإنجاز والعطاء، وندعوكم الآن التوجه لمنطقة التواصل. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.